If you love cool items, you need to check out Dawn by iFlight 3-inch FPV. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this Dawn by iFlight 3-inch FPV changes everything. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. If you love cool items, you need to check out Dawn by iFlight 3-inch FPV. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this Dawn by iFlight